ᴇɪᴛᴇʀɪირင့ᴡɪᴛ ניגלים לענבים, כאשר תגדל גדלך, כנשפל עצמך, ומשא תמצא חן לפני YaHUaH. There is none like you, YaHUaH. Great are you, and great is your name in might and counsel. Who will not fear you, King of the nations? It is your due. You who made the earth by your power, established the world by your wisdom, and stretched out the heavens by your understanding. At your voice the waters roar, clouds rise from the ends of the earth, lightning flashes, and the wind goes forth at your command. Hearken, O set apart ones, come and dwell in Zion, the place where YaHUaH name rests, drawing you by his own hand into life. Look toward the one who sits on a seat of kinship and worship. Put off your sackcloth and put on the comeliness of his esteem. Your garment of tzedakah is from him. Arise, beloved, gather from the west to the east at the sound of his voice. Shema to the word of the set apart one. Exalt him with Tiferet as the children of the kingdom. Gilah in the light of his Tiferet, with the rachamim and tzedakah that come from him. Take hold of the tree of life. For though you once forgot YaHUaH, your Elohah, now he dresses you again in garments of Shalom. Weep no more, mourn no more. You are no longer captive. Your salvation was witnessed. Your shame is removed. The plagues have ceased, and the strange tongue that clothed you in doubt, pride, and unbelief is burnt away. You are remembered, not forgotten, not forsaken. Return, Israel, gather yourselves, seek Yahusha 10 times more, and rejoice in the kavod of Aloha. Yes, Abba, I worship you, the one whose ruach fills the olam, the one whose word cannot be hidden. You are the witness of every inward thought, the beholder of the heart, the hearer of every tongue. I heed your word. Sow in me the fear of you. Guide me, lead me, hold me in your hand. Set my heart upon the path you have chosen for me, and let me enter this season with gladness. There is a time to scatter seed, and a time to gather the harvest, a pruning season, a dormant season, a season where the sower waits patiently for the reward of his labor, and a season of rejoicing for the one who weeps. This season is here. Abba, may my life in this season bear circumcised fruit unto you. May my worship, my deeds, and my desire to serve rise before you as a soothing, quieting aroma that brings you delight. When weakness, flaws, or fallings rose within me, you washed me, cleansed me, purged every impurity from my heart. I heard your voice saying, "Go in Shalom." You lift me up from that fall and led me in the way you appointed. Deepen my roots in your word. Let my fruit now be acceptable to you. Let my life be a fragrance pleasing to YaHUaH, my heart contrite, humbled, restored. Abba, let every daughter who reaches towards Yahushua in this season stretch out her heart to the hem of his garment. Let every burden within her, anything that drains her strength or wounds her spirit, stand still at your command. Let the power that goes forth from you restore, heal, and make whole. Let your voice rest upon your daughters as you did in the day of old. Daughter, your faith has made you whole. Go in peace. Yes, Abba, clothe us in Shalom. Let your words root deeply in our being. For none who trust in you are confounded. None who abides in your fear are forsaken. And none who calls upon you are despised. These are your beloved ones, whom you gather, whose reward is from you, and whom you delight. May you be pleased with us, Abba, and may our lives rise before you as a sweet aroma in this season. In YaHuaH HaMashiach, Selah.